Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a helpful new update for the Messenger app on PC. Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to hear from a specific group chat but you accidentally muted it? Well, fret no more. We're here to guide you through the simple steps to unmute calls from any specific group on your Messenger app using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your PC. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials so you can access your chats. Step 2. Once you're in the app, locate the group chat that you want to unmute. You can find it in your chat list on the left side of the screen. If you have a lot of chats, just scroll until you see the group you're looking for. Step 3. Click on the 3 dots located at the top of the chat window. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options you can select. Step 4. Finally, click on the Unmute option. This will re-enable notifications for calls from that specific group, ensuring you never miss another important message or call again. And there you have it, 4 straightforward steps to unmute calls from a specific group on the Messenger app. We hope this quick tutorial makes your messaging experience much smoother.